Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making black sugar cake. So first I have grated coconut here, which I'm going to roast or patch. The coconut is almost finished patching. I'm gonna add the sugar now. And we're gonna continue cooking this until the sugar is all melted. And then we'll add the other ingredients. Now the sugar is all melted. We're going to add the milk. The nutmeg and cinnamon and ginger. And we're gonna keep stirring. We're going to keep stirring this until it dry, and then we will shape the sugar cake. This is almost done. The sugar cake is done now. We're going to shape them. We're finished shaping the sugar cake. Now we're gonna leave them to cool down, and then we will plate and serve. Here is my black sugar cake. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.